What's going on, YouTube fam? Welcome back to another video, guys. And today we're sitting on the ground because we are going to be doing some chain maintenance on the Honda Rebel 500 that you guys have seen on the channel before. I know a lot of comments have been asking for more Honda Rebel content, so here we are making a little bit of content for you guys. Now, I will be honest with you guys, I have been neglecting the Rebel, and I feel really bad. I kind of neglect my vehicles, and I need to start taking better care of them and appreciating the things that God has given me. So I'm going to be doing that today by doing some maintenance on this chain. As you can see, it's really dirty. The bike has about 4,000 plus miles on it. Technically, you're supposed to clean your chain after 600 miles and then about every 4,000 to 6,000 miles after that. Today, I'm going to show you guys some basics, everything that you're going to need in order to get this job done. It's really easy. You don't have to take this into a shop. I highly recommend that you guys get this rear tire kind of stand for your bike. Makes the job really easy because when the bike is in neutral, you're able to just turn the wheel like this and the tire is going to be moving along with the wheel as well. That way you can really just kind of set the bike in one place and just turn the wheel when you want to move to the next bit of chain. If you do decide to get this and you have the stock exhaust on your bike, you're gonna have to remove the stock exhaust. Otherwise, you won't be able to stand the bike like this, the way I have it, because the exhaust does get in the way. But it's really simple to remove. It's two 12 mil bolts. You remove that and pretty much your exhaust comes off. I got this on Amazon. I don't remember how much it was, anywhere between $50 to $70. You're going to need a brush to clean your chain. You're also going to need some kerosene, which I did put into the spray bottle already, and that's just simply what I'm going to be using to clean the chain. I saw in videos where this was actually safe for your chain. And for the chain lube, we decided to go with this chain paste from Motul. It's got some pretty good reviews. It seems to stick on pretty good to the chain. There is no splattering and stuff like that, and they say that it stays on the chain until the next cleaning, so it should be good to go. So we're gonna go ahead and use this to lube the chain up once it's clean. You're also going to need a couple rags. I recommend getting some gloves. I don't know where the heck my gloves are, so I'm just gonna go ahead and barehand it. Get yourself something where you can put behind the chain so you're not spraying your wheels with the kerosene and you're kind of just spraying the chain, and that way you can still move the rear tire freely and get into pretty much everything that you need to get into to get this job done. So want to make sure you try to get the top as well. So once you got your chain pretty much all cleaned, you want to come in with a rag, kind of just start to dry it off a little bit. You can see how much dirt came off the actual chain itself. Make sure you remove the top and then take off the little sealer that comes on there, and then put the top back on. You have this little brush here that will allow you to get the paste on. So once you have that, once you take that off, you should be able to just squeeze it. You should be able to see the paste coming up. Give it a good squeeze, and there it is. So you have it like that. Kind of just want to rub that all up on your chain. Don't forget about the back. Get it on there good. Clean your brush off. Also make sure to remember to clean this brush. Spray it down with the hose, and you should be good to put this away. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for checking it out. Hopefully this video encouraged you guys to go out and do your own maintenance on your own bike, guys. You don't have to take your bikes to a dealership or anything like that to get the maintenance done. Very simple. You could do it at home with just a couple simple tools. I'm also gonna leave linked up here a video where you can also do your oil change, and it pretty much goes over everything that you're gonna need in order to do an oil change on a Honda Rebel. Save some money while you're at it, and just enjoy what you're doing. And yeah, I'm gonna leave it out here. Remember to savage responsibly in whatever it is that you guys do. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.
In the morning, 4 in the morning. Know that I'm zoned and roll up the potent. Smoking the propane, mixing the potion, mixing the 20 with Henny and Remy. Ballin' out, finger roll, yeah, with the jelly. Vibing out, you can find me at the telly. The drugs kicking in, damn, my palms getting sweaty. Know that I'm peaking, yeah, I be speeding. Lanes I be